We all agree that the snowfall is always fascinating. In the snowfall, all people stay out of the house and play with snow. People can make giant snowmen, travel along the snow, or play snowfall with their families. However, are you curious how snow is made?
Snow is water droplets falling from the clouds. These droplets water then become solid and create snow. It happens because rain consists of water vapor particles and being cooled in the air.
Snow happens when water vapor piled up in the Earth's atmosphere freezes. It happens before they turn into water droplets. This process occurs when the temperature in the cloud becomes very frigid.
Snowflakes are created by crystals of ice which have established around a little field in the air. They then grow from small forms into the big one. The form of snowflakes are varied. They can consist of 200 crystal maximum.
Generic structure of explanation text. The first one has the title. The title in the explanation text this time is How Snow is Made.
The second, there is a general statement. Well, this general statement contains a general explanation of the phenomenon to be discussed.
The third one has a sequence explanation. Well, the order of explanation is also called the explanatory series. A series of explanation provides a deeper explanation of the statement that have been written in the previous paragraph.
And finally, there is a closing, and closing is the end, or the final stage of a text.
Hello, my name is Devi Lestari.
My name is Jenny Anissa Ramawati.
My name is Aulia Zahra Rahli.
My name is Fitri Ayu Lestari. Here we'll do English assignment about explanation text.
Generic structure on explanation text. The first general statement. The term astronomy comes from the Japanese which means her bow and wave. A tsunami is a series of waves generated when water in a lake or a sea is rapidly displaced on a massive scale.
To the question of explanation, a tsunami can be generated when the sea floor abruptly deforms and vertically displaces the overlying water, such like vertical movements of the Earth's crust cone or at the boundaries. Subduction of earthquakes are particularly events in generating tsunami and occur where desert oceanic plates slip under continental plates. As the displaced water mass moves under the influence of gravity to regain its equilibrium, it radiates across the ocean like rivers on upward.
3. Closing. Tsunami always bring great damage. Most of the damage is caused by the huge mass of water behind the initial wave front. As the height of the sea keeps rising fast and floods powerfully into the coastal area.
Language filters on explanation text. First, use simple present tense. A tsunami is a series of waves generated when water in a lake or a sea is rapidly displaced on a massive scale. Use a passive voice. A tsunami will be generated when the seafloor abruptly deforms and vertical displaces an overlying water. 3. Use abstract noun. Vertical, horizontal, and height for conjunction of time. When the seafloor abruptly deforms and vertical displaces the overlying water. When water in a lake or sea is rapidly displaced on the massive scale. 5. Action verb. Movement and moves.
Adverbial phrases like or a sea in rapidly displaced on a massive scale. Complex sentences. A tsunami is a series of waves generated when water in a lake or a sea is rapidly displaced on a massive scale. Explanation. 1. A tsunami is a series of waves generated when clouds while when water in a lake or sea is rapidly displaced on a massive scale. Subordinate clause. A tsunami will be generated when the seafloor abruptly deforms and vertical displaces the overlying water. Explanation. 1. A tsunami will be generated when clouds while. 2. When the seafloor abruptly deforms and vertical displaces the overlying water. Subordinate clause.
Good job!
Global warming. As we now know, global warming, which is happening right now, has a very big impact on natural conditions, animals and humans. Well, do you know how global warming, which has a particularly serious impact on life, happens? To know the process of how this phenomenon occurs, see the following explanation.
The process starts when sunlight shines the earth, where most of the heat is absorbed by the earth, and half of it is reflected back onto the air or atmosphere. Sunshine returning to the air is trapped by gases in the atmosphere such as carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, methane, water vapor, and so on. This event is known as the greenhouse effect.
Solar radiation on the Earth's atmosphere makes ozone layer get thinner and makes the sunlight which shines the Earth become hotter. The greenhouse effect also causes the sunlight which is reflected back onto space reflected back into the Earth. This phenomenon causes the Earth continuously getting hotter. This condition is known as global warming.
Structure explanation text.
General statement in paragraph 1, explanation in paragraph 2, and closing or conclusion in paragraph 3.
Language features.
Firstly, chronological connection is continuously processed and start. Secondly, generic participant is shine, sunshine, and sunlight. Thirdly, passive voice is the greenhouse effect also causes the sunlight, which is reflected back into space, is reflected back into the earth. Fourthly, simple present tense is global warming, which is happening right now, has a very big impact on natural conditions, animals, and humans. And lastly, action verb is observed and reflected.
Good job!
Introduce myself, my name is Fajrin Lidinata from OTKP 2.
Introduce my name Satria from IS OTKP 2.
Introduce my name Yuni from OTKP 2.
Introduce my name Isma Nursabila from OTKP 2.
How does rain fall? Rain is one of the main source of fresh water for almost all people in the world. It provides suitable conditions for diverse ecosystem. It is also used as hydroelectric power plant and crop irrigation. But do you know how rain happens?
The sun hitting the Earth's surface water and causing the surface water to evaporate. Then the rain phenomenon is actually what we often call as water cycle.
However, not all rain can reach the surface of the earth. Some evaporates while falling through the air. This is what we call as virga, a phenomenon which is often seen in hot, dry desert regions.
Concept of the water cycle involves water vaporizes into the Earth's atmosphere. The water in the atmosphere cools and condenses into liquid droplets. The droplets grow bigger and heavier and fall to the Earth as precipitation.
General statement paragraph 1 contains general information about rains. Rain is one of the main sources of fresh water for almost all people in the world. It provides suitable conditions for diverse ecosystems. It is also a hydroelectric power plant and crop irrigation. But do you know how rain happens?
Explanation paragraph. Then the rain phenomenon is actually what we often call as water cycle. The concept of the water cycle involves water vaporizes into the Earth's atmosphere. The water in the atmosphere cools and condenses into liquid droplets. The droplets grow bigger and heavier and fall to the Earth as precipitation.
Closing paragraph 3 contain additional information that not all rain can reach the Earth's surface. However, not all rain can reach the surface of the Earth. Some evaporates while falling through the air. This is what we call as virga, a phenomenon which is often seen in hot, dry desert regions.
Language features. 1. Featuring generic participant. Rain. 2. Chronological connection but 10. 3. Passive voice pattern. It is also used as hydroelectric power plant and crop irrigation.
Rain is one of the main sources of fresh water for almost all people in the world.
The cause of the rain evaporation occurs from Earth's water sources such as lake water, river water, sea water condenses to form clouds. clouds containing water gradually get heavier so that water falls to the earth in the form.
Rain is a process of evaporation that occurs on the Earth's surface from water, plants or land. The process of rain is related to the water cycle or the hydrological cycle. The cycle will cause the water to fall.
Of rain. 1. The water is getting cooler because in the rainy season the temperature is usually lower than the dry season, so the water will feel cooler. 2. Fertilize the soil is a result of rain. With the rain that falls, the land can be more fertile and not dry, abundant water.
Snowfall. Snowfall is rain that drop ice crystal at temperatures below 0 degrees Celsius. 4. Hail. Hail is known to have water particle with a high acidity level, each of which contains
In Indonesia, we are very familiar with the word tsunami. This natural disaster has ever killed thousands of lives in Banda Aceh a few years ago. Indonesia mernet, the word mernet. Then how the tsunami happens? Here's a brief explanation of the process of how the Iceland tsunami happens.
Tsunami occurs if there is phenomenon which causes the displacement of large amount of water in the ocean, such as volcanic eruption, earthquake, landslide, and meteor that fell to earth. However, 19% of tsunami is the result of underwater earthquake.
Vertical movement in the earth's crust in the bottom of the ocean causes a sudden up or down movement of sea floor, which then causes the water balance disorder above it. This disturbance causes the occurrence of the flow of the massive seawater energy, that once it reaches the shore, it becomes huge wave resulting tsunami.
Structured explanation text. Title: Why tsunami happen? General statement in paragraph 1. Explanation in paragraph 2. Closing or conclusion in paragraph 3.
Chronological connection then. Generic participant tsunami specifies the disturbance caused the occurrence of the flow of the massive seas water energy. Simple present tense. Tsunamis occur if there is a phenomenon which causes the displacement of large amount of water in the ocean. Action verb: fall, movement.
Good job!